Hey guys, this is Mike with ProLift Garage Doors, and we are at the Greater Birmingham Association of Home Builders and Remodelers Expo at the Vestavia Hills Civic Center. It's going on this weekend, the 8th and the 9th of May, and we'd love to have you come and check things out here. We're going to show you around just a little bit and see if we can find. So we're going to walk around just a little bit and see some of the cool booths that are set up. There's Wayne's, there's V&W Supply. Come down and see what you need for your kitchen and bath. Here's Taylor Burton Homes. Come and talk to them about getting you a nice custom home built. They're the guys to call.
Come on.
We even got the Cutco folks here. I think they're everywhere these days. Here's Elm Construction, another home builder that would love to talk to you about a new home. Over here we've got what is it, Drain Right Guttering. They can fix your gutters so they don't stop up and keep you off the ladder. Here's Mold and Mildew Solutions, great local Birmingham company. They're down here to talk to you about any moisture problems that you've got. Maybe you need a dumpster to clean out your house. These are the guys for that. Team Elevator, get you a nice residential elevator so you can age in place or put it in that big custom home. Leaf Filters here. Got Birmingham Glass Works, get you a cool shower door. Here's the guys to talk to about some new flooring or countertops, all kinds of good stuff.
Flooring and tile.
There you go, all of it. This guy needs to come help me with my closet and my pantry.
Yes.
Come talk to him about that. And she can make your drawers work. Got Architect here. My buddy from Garage Living's right here. Can set you up, get your garage working right. Patio enclosures. CR Home of Alabama with all kinds of tile and countertops and beautiful stuff to make your home unique. Pella windows and doors, of course. Replace those old single panes with some nice energy efficient windows. Back to our buddy from Cutco.
What's up?
And there's a lot more booths here to see, so come on down to the home show this weekend, Friday and Saturday, and check it all out. There's a lot more to see than what we just walked through. This is Mike from ProLift Garage Doors.